Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Chips. Please subscribe to my channel to get latest video updates. In this we are going to talk about Agile and DevOps processes. DevOps is a software development method which focuses on communication, integration, and collaboration among IT professionals to enable rapid deployment of products. Agile methodology involves continuous iteration of development and testing in the SDLC process. This software development method emphasizes on iterative, incremental, and evolutionary development. Agile refers to an iterative approach which focuses on collaboration, customer feedback, and small, rapid releases. DevOps is considered a practice of bringing development and operations teams together. Agile helps to manage complex projects more easily. DevOps' central concept is to manage any engineering processes end-to-end. Small team is at the basis of Agile. Agile says the smaller is the team, the fewer people on it, the faster they can move. DevOps come with relatively larger team size as it involves all the stakeholders. In Agile, feedback is given by the customer. In DevOps, feedback comes from the internal team. Software development is the main engineering done with Agile. Whereas DevOps can be used for any end-to-end business solution and fast delivery. Agile doesn't emphasize on automation, though it can help it. Automation is the primary goal of DevOps. It works on the principle to maximize efficiency when deploying software. Developing software is inherent to Agile. Developing, testing, and implementation all are equally important. JIRA, Bugzilla, Kanboard are some popular Agile tools. Puppet, Chef, Teamcity OpenStack, AWS are popular DevOps tools. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and subscribe for more similar videos.